Good morning. Myself Prabha Ranjay, working as an assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss about the topic name is test benches, Verilog test benches from the unit 5, that is specification using Verilog HDL. From the subject name is VLSI design. Let us discuss. In this lecture video, we are going to discuss about the what is a test bench, steps involved in writing test bench, design and test bench code, and result and waveform. These all are the topics covered by this lecture video. Let me see one by one. First topic is what is test bench. Test bench is used to generate and apply test vectors, that is called stimuli, to the design to verify its behavior. It is non-synthesizable Verilog code. To create a test bench for verifying the design under test, you should generate inputs, capture outputs, compare the actual output with expected behavior of the total circuit, and steps involved in writing Verilog test benches. These all are the steps. First one is module declaration and signal declaration, design under test instantiation, and next one is initialize test bench variables and always block and time scale and delay, then system task. These all are the steps involved while writing the Verilog test bench. Let me see one by one. First step is module declaration. Test bench module does not have any inputs or outputs. It is entirely self-contained. Here you can see the syntax of the module declaration, that is module and test bench name and end module. That is the syntax of module declaration, and below that we can see the one example of module declaration. Next step is signal declaration. There are two types of signals used in test bench, that is driving signal and monitoring signal. Driving signal, in the sense, it should be a rich data type because it can hold a value. It is driven from the procedural block, that is initial and always blocks. Next one is monitoring signal. Monitoring signal should be a net, that is wire type. The wire means interconnection between two gates, type that get value driven by the design under test. And here you can see the some example. Next one is instantiation, which means the connection between design and test bench are established using design under test instantiation. There are two types of instantiation. First one is order by connection, and second one is connection by name. The difference between order of connection and connection by name is, in order of connection, the order of the ports must be matched with order of the instantiated module. When connection by name does not need to follow order, and in order of connection, this method is insignificant if a new port is added to the list or when the number of ports in the design change. While consider the connection by name, in this method, initiated ports are connected with ports of the modules by using name of the ports. And here you can see the order example of order of the connection and connection by name. In order of the connection, we assign, first we have to declare the input and output. In order of the connection, we can write input first or followed by output, or output first followed by input. Next one is initialize test bench variables. Initial block will be used to initialize the variables in order to avoid don't care propagation to the design under test. Initial block is executed only once, and its execution starts at the beginning of the simulation. Here you can see the example. And always block, already we have discussed, and always block can also be used to perform certain action throughout the simulation. And delay, if we need delay, means we can use the hash and delay unit, otherwise we can leave it. Hash symbol represent the delay. And these all are the optional one. Dollar display, this is the system task, display the information to standard output, and adds the new line character to the end of its output. And dollar monitor, these are also optional one. And dollar dump file, dump was, dump file means used to indicate, it is used to indicate in what file to put the dump information. And dump bars means it is used to indicate what to dump. And dollar finish used to terminate the simulation. And here you can see the Verilog code for half order. Sum equal to a XOR b, carry equal to a and b. And this is the test bench of half order. First module declaration and signal declaration and instantiation, and finally dollar finish is stop simulation. Dollar display, if we need display means we can use dollar display. This is the result of half order. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment. We will meet in next video. Thank you.